right here. And I think I'm going to have to use my butter knife because it is pretty tight in there. I've got some really big ones. So I'm going to push it in and just give it a slight turn so I can drop my pipe cleaner all the way down to my cutting mat so that we can pull it. Pull this around. I'm going to flip the tails so that our tails go down instead of flipping my bow around. And then we're going to fluff candy canes and then our nice little Swiss dot. I like to always bring one out to the side, one right over here.